Well, I'm back. I can barely get in here now because this big tomato grew back, and squash is doing fantastic. I've been picking those. I found this little dwarf tomato, which I think is very cute. It's called Tidy Treats, so we're going to try that one for fun. And looks like we're getting some. Look, we're getting some ripe tomatoes. Awesome! Finally, time to pick tomatoes. I can see some peeking at me in there. Yeah, a little bit of red. Let me go ahead and start picking. I'll show you what I've got so far. Okay, I got these today. We've already been eating them, and these are absolutely delicious. My favorite. This is an interesting one too. And the ones that are not quite ripe, they will ripe on the countertop. So this is pretty awesome. February, like February 25th, when I'm planting seeds, I'm getting fruit. So I didn't even realize I could do this, but it's really awesome. Delicious too. As you can see, the job is done and the monster tomato is gone, but these will be able to do much better now. So I'm just going to let these become ripe, and my peppers will start to do better. The squash will be able to grow with monster removed. Okay, so now we still have these tomatoes, and still have these and all these nice green ones, and I've already picked the bottom ones. And this cutting I talked about earlier is Mountain Magic, so it should be making me some cherry tomatoes, and I like the way it stays small, so this will be a keeper as well. And I think in the future I'd rather grow this one because the size is much better. Look how slim it is, and much better for the other plants. So now, look at how Tidy Treats already has a little tomato on it. Check that out. It's pretty cool. It's a tiny. I like it. So I'm going to let that one go. I planted some strawberries. And these are my seedling trays. So I'll update later. Let you know how it goes. Well, here's the update on the cabbage. It looks like the purple cabbage got through just fine. Didn't get frosted. It looks like it's trying to head up, which is great. So I'm going to let that grow. But the green cabbage I planted got frostbit. So we're going to harvest these guys. And it looks like once you get the frostbitten leaves off, there's firm heads inside there. So I'm going to go ahead and get these. This one did better than the others. I just didn't cover these in time. But I think I'm going to go ahead and take these and see what I've got.